We highly encourage sellers to order an inspection before their home goes on the market. A pre-listing inspection helps homes sell faster and makes for a smoother transaction. Once the inspection is complete, you and your real estate sales professional should review the report to make sure you agree with the findings. At this point, you can decide to fix these issues or simply disclose them and adjust your asking price accordingly. While a pre-listing inspection does not preclude a buyer from having their own home inspection performed, it does speed up the selling process by letting the buyer know what they are getting right from the start. This helps avoid the headache of an 11th hour renegotiation. Your pre-listing inspection also comes with recall check, our 120-day limited warranty, the 5-year roof protection plan, sewer guard, and mold safe. All of these are transferable to the new homeowners, giving them even more reasons to be comfortable when it comes time for the home purchase. To schedule your pre-listing inspection, contact us today.